How to get a renter's insurance quote on Progressive Insurance. Hello and welcome back everybody. Today we are providing you with a very simple step-by-step guide in order to get so, whether online, by phone or with an agent. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start with Progressive online quote 2. So open up your web browser and we can head over to progressive.com or directly go to progressive.com/renters. Or within the space you can carve for this home, renters, condo and many more for property. Head over there and go ahead and click on it. Now here what we can do is we can select this third option called renters, and here we can start it up. So we'll be finding an option called get a quote, or similar to begin we can just go and start it up. For that you can enter up your zip code first, provide in that necessary detail, and click on this option called get a quote. Once it is done, you will be headed to the next page, which is this one right here. So in order to get the renter's insurance quote, we can start up the policy here. So it will ask you, do you have your auto insurance policy with us? You can click on yes or no and click on continue. After that, we just need to provide in these details. So to generate a quote, you will be asked such kind of information. Provide in your address, your apartment or unit number, and your city, your state, and your zip code. So go ahead and provide it up, whether you currently rent or own, and that will help Progressive determine the right policy options and pricing for your location. You can click on this option called get quote, and Progressive will ask you a few questions about your place, like type of residence, whether it's a building with multiple units, year build and construction type, security features, etc. That will help you estimate risk and coverage needs. You can just go and provide it up and answer all the questions that will be asking, and just go and review the discounts on rental insurance once you complete the process. And make sure you check all the available discounts before finalizing your info, and it will show you your estimated premium usually instantly if you're online. And you can use that option, otherwise directly call them as well. You can use this option called talk with us and directly prefer to quote get online by phone and give you a quote over the phone by they will walk you through a bunch of questions. You just need to answer that, and that will do it. And that's it everybody. You may follow those methods for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.